Hello and welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And today we're
Jaw-jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
You guys are going to want to stick around to the end of this video because we're going to put up all of our stickers onto our new sticker board. And also, you'll find out how to get a very own, or your very own, Jarhead and Ginger's Journey sticker. So, for jaw-jacking today, first we're just gonna pretty much talk about what has been going on in our lives in the last week. So, if you've been following us, you know that we've been having some shipment issues with our very last shipment from our retirement. We did finally receive information about that. It's actually coming out of Seattle, and due to the timing of it, there was a lapse in payment. The government didn't pay the last couple of months worth, and I didn't get a notification that it was able to be released to me or anything until it was actually too late for me to get it out. So they actually charged me, or they're going to charge me, $165 to release my stuff from the storage. Basically, it's just the storage unit fees. I think it's supposed to be released on the 21st, so that's still a few more days out. And then we still don't know when it will actually be delivered to Texas. But it will be coming into the Conroe area when it does.
The crazy thing is, we don't even really know some of the things that are in this shipment. There's a list of items, like he has his old deer mounts, and there's some
furniture.
Yeah, my Nana has furniture, but that we're obviously not going to keep. We're going to give it to the women's shelter, I think. And but we're paying $165 to get this shipment because I know it's got my wedding dress in it, and it's got some family mementos, knickknacks, I guess, that I don't think that anything that's coming from this shipment will actually be going on the road with us. But we have to know what's in it just in case.
I don't know what she plans on doing with the dress, but I know she's not going to throw it away. I think I also have some cold weather gear, some heavier coat type things, and maybe some long underwear and things like that also that aren't on the manifest list of what's coming. So we'll see. We haven't seen that stuff in almost a decade now, so when it gets here, we'll see what's in it. We'll probably film it for you guys as well. It'll be like Christmas for us all over again here in a few weeks, probably. Also, what we've been doing around the house here is organization and getting through all of the final things that are really hard to find places for, guys. Allison's been doing a lot of work at that, and we've been doing a lot of measurements and running into town for boxes and things like that. And
running into town, we're about 35 minutes from the nearest Walmart, and a couple of days ago I wanted to go to IKEA, and that was over an hour drive from where we're staying right now. So it takes up basically at least half the day to make a run for items. So we're shopping for little bins to organize things in, and different hardware for mounting items in the RV. So it's been just kind of crazy. And then, by the time we get home, it's time to make dinner, and just, it's a slow process.
So today I actually got up and I put some shelf liner in. We bought this tacky type shelf liner to line the inside of our cabinets because they're glass, and we didn't want things banging into the glass and knocking holes in them. It doesn't work, guys.
Scratching it.
I cut one to fit, and I went and I put it up there to stick it in place, but whatever they put it in there with,
the frosting,
the frosted piece,
yeah,
is already some kind of like tape or something, and it has a little bit of
grittiness.
Feel, yeah, you can feel it on there. So I think it's causing a problem with it sticking on. I may have to just go with something else and Velcro it. If you guys have any suggestions for that, let us know in the comments. what you use for any of your cabinets with glass fronts on them. That would be awesome. What else? The trailer, or the fifth wheel here, the toy hauler, we still don't have the proper paperwork to get our license plates and everything here in Texas.
We had, when we picked up the RV in Elkhart, Indiana, we got a little pink certificate that we have to keep on our dashboard. It was good, I think, for 5 days. So we can't really take this anywhere legally because we don't have a any of that information. It was mailed on November 20th. Today is December, what?
11th?
No. It's the 16th. And we still haven't gotten it. And I emailed the title place and didn't have any response. So today I called and she said she'd look into it and get back to me.
They also, when was the last time? We do have a tracking number,
yes,
but it's coming from the post office. And the last time the post office did any kind of scanning of it or whatever was when?
November 30th in Houston. And it doesn't take that long to get from Houston to Livingston, Texas. So what's going on with the U.S. mail, guys? I know that they're having issues right now, but really, it's been almost 3 weeks.
So worst case scenario is they'll have to reorder all of that paperwork, which is basically what we're waiting on is the title for the toy hauler. So then we can take it. We have to get an inspection done on it in Texas, which is weird to me because I don't know why you'd need an emissions test on something that doesn't have an engine. But I think it's just a safety thing. They want to make sure the brakes work and all that stuff. And then once we get the title, we can actually go to Livingston, which is where our home of record is now, and pay the tax tag and license on the RV, and they'll give us a license plate, and we can go put it on, and then we're perfectly legal. I believe the inspection is good for 2 years on a new RV, so that's what we've been waiting on with the title, and we're over 5 weeks in this thing now, and still waiting on that is kind of not fun. Let's put it that way.
No.
So that's been our title headache. Also, we do have a little bit of news on the leak situation. If you've been following along with our black tank flush leak problem, it is the that blowback valve. So when Allison was in there in the cabinet that has the panel on it, organizing, and I said, "While you got that out, let's go ahead and test this thing." So I pulled the panel off and I wrapped the towel around it best I could, and I told her, "I'm going outside, I'm going to turn this on. If you see it leaking, let me know." So as soon as I turned it on, she said, it's leaking, I shut it off. So we know for sure that it is that that blowback valve. Just have to find a place to get one. I've looked them up online, I just haven't ordered one yet.
Or get Grand Design to send it because it is
right,
under warranty.
Yeah, it is under warranty. I'm not quite sure how to do that. If you guys know how to do some warranty work through Grand Design, let me know down below. I'm sure I can find it on their website or something, but it'd be much easier if you guys would just tell me, because I read all the comments anyway. So if you know the number or a person to call or the web page or whatever it is, that however you do it, just let me know. And I don't know if I can just call them up and say, hey, I have a broken whatever, or does it have to be a shop? I mean, I don't know. I could find out. I just need to do the research, but we've been so busy with all the other stuff like we've been talking about, I just haven't had time to do any of that stuff. So yeah, that last portion of the leak didn't cause any issues like the first one. If you remember when I showed the sideways film and it was coming through under the wall and all that stuff. Yeah, there was hardly any water there. We were prepared for it, so it didn't cause any more damage than had already been done.
Right.
So
now time for stickers?
All right, let's do some stickers. Here we go.
Now, we've already shown you some of these stickers in a previous video, but Scott took all the time and the hard work to make this lovely sticker board that we're going to hang up in our garage. We didn't want to stick the stickers onto our RV because they fade over time. Some of them are not waterproof, and we want to, in case we ever have to switch homes, we want to be able to take this with us.
Yep. But if you guys ever see us out there on the road and want to come and see it, we're going to hang it in the toy box. So let us know and come on over, and also swap out stickers with us. If you guys don't have one of ours yet and would like one, I'm going to put the email address here, right here down below, and just let us know you want to swap stickers, and we'll get one in the mail for you right away. We've sent some to England now, and I don't think some to England, but that's as far off as we've got so far. So everybody else that has a sticker is in the U.S. We sent 1 or 2 now, I think, to England. I'm not sure. So it was pretty cool. We did get a couple just this last week, actually. So it's gonna be fun.
Right.
All right. You want to read them, and I'll stick them.
Okay. Actually, it's funny we didn't put these in any kind of order, but the one that's on the top here is See Our View, and they were in our last week's episode of Jaw Jacking with Jarhead and Ginger and friends. So this is See Our View. They're actually here at the campground with us, and some good old Texas folk. So look up See Our View.
All right. So we've decided that we're going to put our sticker in the middle, and then we're going to surround us with all of our friends. So that's why our sticker is in the middle here, and we're just going to go around. When we fill this one up, I guess we'll have to get another one.
So as he's mounting that one, I'll say the next one we got to meet this lovely lady and her husband and her little dog Abby. This is Susan and Abby from New Horizons, and she has a YouTube channel and talks about RVing and disabilities and touring different places and
handicap accessible. Yeah.
The next one is Sonia. The RV DJ. Check out the RV DJ. And I have no nails, so he don't have to peel that. And we mentioned that we sent a sticker to England, and here's the one that we got back. This is Loving Life Hitched Up. They're a couple that travels in a little RV in the UK. And they want to come over here and join us on the road in our big RV one day.
we invited them this week.
Yeah, we told them we have a spare room. Okay, the next one we got to meet here, RV Texas, y'all. They, Tom and Stacy, they live here in Texas, started out in Texas. They travel all over, but right now they've been staying in the Houston area. So we got to meet them when we got back from Japan, and we got to do an interview with them. He'll put a link to the interview on our channel, and then you can go over to RV Texas, y'all, and see the interview that they did with us.
Great people too.
And then we have Christian Nomad. It's a beautiful sunset picture of somebody kneeling at a cross, and in the background you can see like a shadow of Jesus. I love it. And not least, there's another one hiding. The next one is Avenger RV Adventure. So you have to go on over and check out that fun channel. They have lots of adventures. And the very last one, we also got to meet this couple that's Thin Blue Lane. So go on over and check out Thin Blue Lane.
He also told me when he gave me those stickers that they don't send them in the mail.
Oh yeah.
So not very many people have these stickers, Thin Blue Lane, because they only give them in person right now. I think they're thinking about upgrading it, but I'm not sure. So that may be the reason why. But great couple. We hope to see more of them very soon. Wow.
So if you haven't sent a sticker yet, go ahead and send it to the email below if you'd like, and let us know if you'd like a sticker. And we might have some waiting for us in our mail in Livingston if you've already sent one, so we'll be sure and add it as soon as we get our mail if it's waiting for us in our box.
Absolutely. And as always, guys, we'd appreciate a thumbs up, a like, and also a comment. Leave the comment down below. That's really helps our channel out. And we go through and read and answer every single comment. Either myself or Allison does that. And we really like to do that. So please take a second or two and leave a comment down below.
Let us know what you think about our board.
That too. And if you're still here, thanks for sticking around till the end. And as always, we'll see you next time on Jaw Jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
Bye.